You know, if you've seen us at farmers markets or even if you've come by our shop, y'all know we have 3 beautiful girls, Sydney, Kayla, and Jordan. All of our scents are named after our girls. So Sydney is our Simply Sid, our lavender. Kayla is our Clearly Kayla. And then we have our Just Jordan, which is our frankincense and peppermint scent. And then we thought about that because our oldest daughter, Sydney, has really, really bad eczema. She struggled with it since she was a baby. Really sensitive skin, allergies, the whole 9. When we picked our ingredients and working with the essential oils that we chose, we just really had them in mind, and we had other families in mind. We wanted to be comparable to other store brands, other natural brands, and make it affordable for families. We created these products, we use them in our service, we use them in our home, and we started with obviously the laundry detergent. But from there, we branched into our scent boosters, which are just great at, you know, boosting the scent of the detergent. Then the next thing was bleach. Citrus oil is a natural brightener. So that's the main ingredient in our bleach that helps to brighten your whites. Dryer sheets are a very technical process. There's a lot of chemicals involved.
Chemicals are on your clothes now, so that's what's usually causing you to itch or whatever you may be dealing with.
We wanted to find an alternative to that, so we found the wool dryer balls, and then we're able to add a couple of drops of essential oils. That gives you a nice fragrance in the dryer. If you have kids or a husband, you have stains. So we needed a stain fighter.
You have carpets, couches, car upholsteries. I mean, you name it, we can clean it.
So we've kind of expanded out of the laundry products and into the personal care products. And the body soaps have been super popular. They smell great. They don't irritate your skin. They have a nice lather. It's just, you know, natural ingredients, and they get you clean. All-purpose cleaner.
Now that replaces a lot of your sprays for your counters and floors that you may use.
And it has the same citrus scent of our laundry soap, and it just brightens the room. It smells so clean. You know, simple ingredients, but they get the job done. If you're local to Houston, we have our storefront on Bama North Houston Road where you can bring in your glass bottles. We'll refill them or we'll replace them, and we recycle and reuse those bottles. We also have a location in the Heights area, Mala Market, where you can bring in your bottles there and refill them. They'll also give you a credit there. So what's next? What's next for the people, Rob?
I don't know yet. Let me think about it. Let me think about it, and I'll get back to y'all.